welcome to Rhonda Said. I'm Rhonda. I love saying things, and I'm super glad to see you here today. Please like, comment, and subscribe, and down below, subscribe down there. There's the button, and ring the bell so you get notifications for when I go live, which is at least once a week sometimes. It's a surprise when I go live, but it's a lot of fun. Plus, I have lots of collaborations and videos coming up. And it's so cool and fun to be a part of the channel. And it's low price of free. We love free. And today I'm revisiting a palette that I love, that I have not had on the channel in a while. And it is by one of my favorite companies right now, which is Melt. And it's the She's in Parties palette. And it is a gorgeous goth vibe palette done in purples. Look at that, it's nice foil packaging. Anyway, let's get to some swatches. And there's only 8 colors in this palette. And the first one is very sheer shimmer. So that is there's the first one right there. It's very pale. And then I'm going to do the last 4. So beautiful. Deep plum, gothy vibes. I know you guys don't know it, but I've never been goth. I've been a lot of things, but I love the goth aesthetic, and I love wearing some dark colors, especially this time of year. And this is going to be so much fun to do a look with. And let's get started. Let's get it started in here. So we're going to take a brush, as you do. And I'm going to go into Total Immortal. And start that in my crease. A little kick up in the pan, and it shows up really nicely on the brush. It is beautiful. And it's super soft and blendable. And this is just one dip, and it covers so much. And we'll do the other side. And this pigment is just fantastic. Just blends out so easy. And Melt Cosmetics has either great palettes or not great palettes. There's not a lot of in-between palettes for them. But I like this because it's great. It's freaking great. I tell you, it's great. That's my bad Scottish accent. I hope I have offended at least one person with my bad accent. And I'm going to be going on the lid with Strange Love. And it goes very well with the Total Immortal, which is the first color. It's a very pale, subtle shimmer. Then I'm going to go under the eyebrow, under the eyebrow with Skeleton Kiss here. Super pretty, super freaky. Ow. So far, we are not so dark, but we are just getting warmed up. I'm going to go into She's in Parties, which is a song by Bauhaus. They are one of the earliest goth bands that came to fame. And they were very famous for a song called Bela Lugosi's Dead. Very, very distinctive, mysterious. I just love blending these eyeshadows out. They're fantastic. They're so buttery smooth. They just blend like a dream. What kind of dream? Today, a dark dream. We don't mind a dark dream. We don't mind at all. So let's go a little deeper since we're making a dark look, and I've got my lipstick all picked out from Nars, which is a gorgeous dark blackberry kind of color. I'm going to go into Mean Streak. Oh, it's looking very nice indeed. I'm totally loving it. Darker and darker we go. And then the darkest color is Lost Control, which is from a song, She's Lost Control Again, by Joy Division. I'm loving this so much. I'm going to blend this out and soften everything up. Then I'm going to go back in with the light Strange Love shimmer. Strange Love, that's a Depeche Mode song. I'm going to start with a new brush. It's super pretty. I just love this look. I'm thinking about adding a pop of silver, but I think I want to keep it dark. I'm going to keep it dark. And we're going to do some eyeliner with the Glam Light calligraphy pen. This is such a great pigmented eyeliner. I really, really dig it. And we're going to use the Marc Jacobs mascara. Oh my gosh, this mascara just gets better every time I use it. It makes my eyelashes crazy long and dark. Marc Jacobs is kicking some ass, I'm telling you. And now into the lippy, which is hard to read. It's called Wild Night by Nars. This is a beautiful look, dark like my soul. It is the She's in Parties. I love, love, love this palette, and I love this look. I hope you have a great day or day of your choice. We'll see you real soon.